Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mem Nikmatun Yaya and all of friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sania Safira, name 341212228 from Accounting 3C, Accounting Study Program, Accounting Department. On this occasion, I would like to thank you for the opportunity given to me to present my final project entitled Calculation of Cost of Production using Process Cost Method at Company X. This presentation will be divided into 6 main discussions. First, introduction, second, formulation of the problem, third, research purpose, and then benefits, next, literature review, and the last, research methodology. Let's start with the first point, the introduction. Currently, business development in the trade sector is increasing rapidly from year to year, causing increasingly tight business competition both on national and international scale. Increasingly tight business competition require business people to have strategies to maintain business continuity. In determining the appropriate selling price, the company must first determine the correct cost of production. The cost of production is the cost of obtaining finished goods that are ready to be sold. The cost of production is one of the data that the company considers to determine profit from selling the product produced. The process cost method is a method of determining the cost of product by collecting production costs that occur during a certain period, and then dividing them evenly among the product produced in the period concerned. Company X is a manufacturing company that produces processed milk fish such as Presto milk fish and milk fish brains. In calculating the cost of production, Company X still uses the simple calculation, namely the total cost incurred divided by the number of products produced. Therefore, it is necessary to evaluate the calculation of the cost of production carried out by Company X. Company X is a manufacturing company that produces products in bulk. The appropriate calculation of the cost of production is the process cost method. Departing from the background described, the problems formulated are as follows. First, how is the cost of production at Company X calculated using the process cost method for March 2024? And the second is, how does the calculation of the cost of production according to Company X compare with the calculation of the cost of production using the process cost method for March 2024? Next, the research purpose and the benefits are as follows. The research purpose, first, to calculate the cost of production at Company X using the process cost method for March 2024, and the second, to compare the calculation of the cost of production according to Company X with the calculation of the cost of production using the process cost method for March 2024. The benefit, first, can increase knowledge and experience in applying the knowledge received during college, especially cost accounting regarding calculating the cost of production using the process cost method. Second, can be input and consideration for the company in making decisions related to product selling price. And third, can be used as a reference for other students to increase knowledge regarding calculating the cost of production using the process cost method. The fifth point is a literature review, which is used instead according to the material discussed. There are any points for discuss as follows. Definition of cost accounting, cost classification, definition of cost of good production, benefits of cost of goods production, method of collecting cost of goods production, cost assignment system using the process cost method, and classification of costs in the process cost method. According to Supriyono, cost accounting is a branch of accounting which is a management tool for systematically monitoring and recording cost transaction, as well as presenting cost information in the form of cost report. The cost of production is the cost that in the production process become products that are ready to be sold. This cost can be measured in units of money in the form of cash and so on, where these costs are charged to the product produced. According to Supriyono, there are two methods for collecting the cost of production, namely the job order cost method and the process cost method. The process cost method is a method of collecting product costs where costs are collected for each specific time unit. For example, month, quarter, semester, and year. According to Supriyono, for the cost price method, production costs are classified as follows: material cost, labor cost, and factory overhead cost. The last point is research methodology. There are 4 points to be discussed here. First, the definition of research methodology. Research methodology comes from the word methoda, which means method or technique, and logos, which means science. So, research methodology means the study of ways or method of conducting research. The second point is data classification. Types of data according to their nature include quantitative data and qualitative data. The quantitative data used in this research are fixed asset data and production cost data consisting of raw material cost, labor cost, and factory overhead cost. Meanwhile, the qualitative data in this research is presented in the form of words that contain meaning in the form of a brief history of the company's vision and mission, organizational structure, and the production process of company X. Furthermore, the types of data according to the search are primary data and secondary data. The primary data that will be used in this research are the result of interview regarding information and additional data needed in calculating the cost of production using the process cost method. Meanwhile, the secondary data that will be used in this research are company records or documentation in the form of production cost data at company X. The third point is the data collection method. The data collection method used in research is interviews to find out more in depth about the data needed. Observation takes the form of observing the production process in company, and the final method is literature study. The fourth point is the data writing method. Data writing methods include description method and exposition method. The description method is used to describe the history of the company, the organizational structure and its section, and the existing production process at company X. Meanwhile, the exposition method is to explain the comparison of the calculation of the cost production according to company X. That's all the presentation that I can deliver. I apologize if there are wrong words in my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.